New to Blender? Don't let the interface scare you. Here are the essential shortcuts you need to start creating right now. First, clear your scene. Press X or delete to remove that default cube. To add something new, hit Shift plus A and choose an object. Now, let's move. Press G to grab and move. Press R to rotate. Press S to scale. Want precision? While moving, rotating, or scaling, tap X, Y, or Z to lock your transformation to a specific axis. This is the key to keeping your 3D space organized. Ready to shape your object? Hit Tab to jump into edit mode. Use keys 1, 2, and 3 to switch between selecting vertices, edges, or faces. To add more geometry, simply press E to extrude. Master these basics, and you're well on your way to becoming a 3D pro. Ready to bring your Blender models to life? Let's master colors and materials. Head over to the Material Properties tab on the right. Click New to create your first base color. Now hit Tab to enter Edit mode. Select the specific faces you want to highlight. Click the plus icon for a new slot. Pick a color and hit Assign. Boom! Specific styling done. Master Blender's edit mode with these 4 essential shortcuts. First, E for extrude. Select a face, hit E and pull. This is how you add volume and create new geometry instantly. Next, I for inset. It creates a new face inside your selection. Perfect for adding detail without changing the overall shape. Third, Control plus B for bevel. This rounds off those sharp edges. Use the scroll wheel to add segments for a smoother, pro look. Finally, Control plus R for loop cut. Add extra edges exactly where you need them to refine your model's topology. Let's make your scenes shine. First up, the point light. Think of this like a light bulb. It radiates light in every direction from a single point. It's perfect for local lighting, like a lamp in a room. Next, we have the sunlight. Unlike other lights, its position doesn't matter, only its angle. It mimics distant sunlight, providing parallel rays and consistent shadows across your entire scene. Need some drama? Use the spotlight. It projects a cone-shaped beam in a specific direction. It's ideal for stage lights, flashlights, or highlighting a specific subject. For soft professional shadows, the area light is your best friend. It emits light from a flat shape like a square or rectangle. It's the go-to for studio setups and realistic interior lighting. Finally, don't forget emission. This isn't a light object, but a material property. You can turn any mesh into a light source, perfect for neon signs, screens, or glowing sci-fi effects. Always adjust your power and radius settings to control the intensity and the softness of your shadows. Experimenting is key. That's lighting in a nutshell. Eevee or cycles? Which one should you choose for your final render? Eevee is lightning fast for real-time previews. But cycles? It's all about realism, using path tracing for those perfect lights and shadows. Speed versus realism. Now you know the secret. Subscribe to Blend Tweaks for more Blender basics and master your 3D journey.